The first thing you had to do is figure out that this is actually a product. So it's number 5. Because we have multiple data points, the probabilities multiply. Going to the logarithm, replace it with a sum. That is number 6. And the logarithm of the expression in the exponent is just its argument, which means number 3 is the solution here. We simply just copy this argument over. The first derivative loses all these terms over here that don't depend on mu, but it retains this one over here. The answer ends up being 4 xi minus mu over sigma square. And the reason is the way the derivative works. We take the derivative of this expression. There's a 2 over here that gets multiplied left and a minus sign in front of the mu. Those get multiplied in and they cancel out with a minus a half. Now from here to here, I just multiply with sigma square. And now I bring the mu out. And important is that the resulting expression is n mu. The n comes in because we have n additions of mu in the formula over here. That completes the entire proof.